I'm so happy about this because we have just released our third application on Easynote and it's called Documents. So now Easynote is 3-in-1 tool, basically project management, document management, and file management. So document is basically replacing your Notion or Google Docs, and you can write all your documents, collaborate with each other, organize things in folders, and much more. So let me show you how this is working. Come along. So once you're inside Easynote, in order to view or work with the Documents application, you will find it to the left. And when I click on it, it will actually open my latest created document, which I have either created or worked on. In here, I can write any text I would like to, and I'm getting different options to change and work with this text, make it bold, cursor, or if I would like to add a list from here, I can do so as well. Hello, how are you? I can also implement tables or add tasks and work with images. So once I'm happy with this, I can hit save in order to save this document. To the left, we are getting option to print the document, save as PDF, Word, or save as a template. And I will come back to that pretty soon. To the right, we are getting options to create a new document, and you can rename it here, my new document. And just, it's being saved automatically. Now, if I add something, add some text, I just hit save and it tells me the document has been saved. I can create folders as I did here, and I can just name it to anything. And what I can do then is just move documents into different folders, so that will help me actually organize my work even better. And just simply click on a new document to open previous documents, right? So that's pretty quick. So now you can open them really, really quickly. If you would like to tag someone in a document, just write @ and you will get the list of all project members in this project who have access to this project, and just tag them, and they will get a very nice notification that they have been mentioned in this particular document. One more thing, if we go here and click on save as a template, I can save actually a document as a template, so I don't need to rewrite it all the time. So I can just rename it to my own template document for work example. Once I've hit save, I'm getting options that or get a notification that this has been saved, and I will find all my templates in the template section. So if I would like to reuse this, I can just click on the template and it will ask me to use this template, and there it is. So now I can just reuse all my documents all over and over again. And soon we will add options so you can link to other tasks, projects, and even documents directly from here. So then we have integrated the three applications all together. So Easynote is really now 3-in-1 tool: project management tool, document management tool, and file management tool. Make sure to use this and try this on Easynote, and see you on easynote.com. Bye bye.